In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. Let's get started. First, avoid repeatedly trying to log in. In many cases, Snapchat temporarily disables account due to too many failed login attempts or suspicious activity, and continuing to try can actually extend the lockout period. Instead, wait at least 48 hours before attempting to log in again. Once the waiting time has passed, make sure you are using the correct username and password and try signing in with a stable internet connection. Next, clear cache for the app. For that, launch Settings, go to General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Snapchat and launch it. Now click on Offload app and confirm it. This removes temporary files while keeping your account data intact. Now click on Reinstall. Now try to log in. Your problem might be resolved. Likewise, ensure that your internet connection is stable and avoid switching networks frequently while logging in. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, contact Snapchat support team. Close this, launch your preferred browser, type in Snapchat support, then navigate to this website. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now scroll all the way down. You're going to find the option of Contact Us. Click on that. Once you're on this page, click on the option I think my account was compromised. Now you will be directed to this page. From here, you can easily contact Snapchat support team. Here, explain about your issue in detail and send it. So that's it. With these tips, you'll be good to go. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.